Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Bitcoin has seen its largest 30-day illiquid supply increase of the current bull market. Illiquid supply now stands at 14 million BTC, more than ever before. Whales are still accumulating as the price returns to six figures. US President Donald Trump repeated his call for the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates, saying prices for gas, groceries, and practically everything else are down. The Fed must lower the rate, like Europe and China have done, Trump said. Crude oil futures climbed, lifted by a temporary cut in US-China tariffs and a better-than-expected inflation report. The two benchmarks rose strongly in the previous session after the US and China agreed on sharp reductions to their import tariffs for at least 90 days. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.